Normally, I have seen there are some people, there are some of my friends, they say that I am not from any English medium school. I am from a very typical Bengali medium school, or I am from a typical Hindi medium school. I'll be able to speak in English, I'll be able to learn this language, I'll be able to master this language. There are lots of questions like that they have in their mind. These type of questions are very common if you are from any Hindi medium, Bengali medium, or any regional language school. It's a very common, and I myself also from Bengali medium school. So let's talk about this thing. Is it really possible? To answer this question, I would like to say that if you have the courage and commitment to make the possibility into a reality, if you really want to learn this language, if you really want to master this language, you have to take oath. You have to be very obstinate about this. Okay, you have to be very strong to this, that yes, I want to learn this language. The first thing. The second thing, whole world you see, the people are speaking in English. Many people, lakhs of people, millions of people are speaking in English after learning as a second language, as a third language. Okay, they have their native language, at the same time they have also this language as a second option, because now it is a global world. Okay, in this global world we have to be global. Okay, so to be very precise to your question, it does not matter where do you come from, whether you are from Hindi medium school, Bengali medium school, or any other regional language school. It does not matter. If you have the courage and commitment to make yourself fluent, flawless speaker, it does not matter where do you come from. You must have this type of mindset that yes, I'm ready to put in my time, put in my effort, put in my energy, and I am sure that I will master this language. I'll be able to speak in this language. If you are ready to put in your effort, put in your hard work, you are going to master it. Nobody can stop you. So first of all, you have to find out that yes, I need this language because of this, I need this language because of this, or I want to learn this language because of that. You will have to have a very crystal clear idea about that. Then you are always welcome, because I have experienced this. When you learn something, if there is no use of that in your life, you will forget it. You will not be able to take care of that. It happens. I'm saying the fact. Okay, so accept this. Just try to find out where you want to apply this language after learning, because any skill, when you develop a skill, that means you have to have the proper place where you want to, or where you can apply that. That's the thing. I'll come back with more such interesting lessons, more such useful videos. So just start your journey, then you see the magic.